Alright guys, I'll be testing the Blazer this time. Also off the rest, nothing too crazy. It's not gonna be off any special rest, just off my bag. 25 yards, 10 shots. Trying to get a tighter group to see if I can actually tighten it up. Very popular round, which is why I'm doing it. It is inherently a nice, accurate round. So let's see what's possible. 10 shots. Here we go. Yeah, so you could see, at least from what I could see, it's not as tight as some of the other factory loads, but still a good enough group. I might have rushed a little, but I mean that's, I would say, what, maybe 3-inch group, 25 yards. So Blazers are okay, not my favorite. I prefer Federals, but that's just me.